Welcome to English by Movie. Feel the love of learning with epic show moments. Let's shine.
Cut. You sure have bad luck, Sam Greenfield.
Who, me?
Sorry, Sam. Cut. You sure have bad luck, Sam Greenfield.
Have bad luck. Have bad luck means to often face misfortune. Use it to describe someone unlucky. I have bad luck with exams. I always forget something. It shows frequent misfortune in exams. He has bad luck finding parking spots. It describes ongoing difficulty with parking. Bad luck. Bad luck here highlights Sam's unlucky streak in the film. It sets up her story. She had bad luck with her plans all week. It describes a series of unfortunate events.
Sorry, Sam. Before we go,
Sorry. Sorry is used to apologize or show regret. It's simple but versatile. Sorry, I spilled your coffee. It expresses regret for an accident.
And I see you've got your lucky penny spot ready to go.
yeah, it's the last one I need. Find a penny, pick it up.
And I see you've got your lucky penny spot ready to go.
Yeah.
Got. Got here means have in a casual way. It's common in informal English. I've got a new phone. It means I have a new phone.
Spot ready to go.
Yeah, it's the last one I need. Find a penny.
Yeah. Yeah is a casual yes. Use it to sound friendly. Yeah, I'll join you later. It means yes, I'll join you later.
I need. Find a penny, pick it up.
And all day.
Find a penny, pick it up. Find a penny, pick it up is a rhyme for good luck. It's a fun superstition. Find a penny, pick it up, and good luck will follow. It suggests finding a penny brings luck.
Two more days.
I know you're nervous, but you're moving into your own place. It is going to be great. And you can come back Friday for visiting hours. See,
Just 2 more days.
I know you're nervous, but you're moving into your own place. It is
But. But contrasts two ideas. It connects opposite thoughts. I'm tired, but I'll finish this. It contrasts tiredness with determination.
moving into your own place. It is going to be great.
Gonna. Gonna means going to in casual speech. It's relaxed and common. I'm gonna call you later. It means I'm going to call you later.
And you can come back Friday for visiting hours. See Hazel before.
Come back. Come back means to return. It's an everyday phrase. Come back when you're free. It means return when you're free.
I guess we weren't lucky enough to find you that forever family.
Yeah, sure missed the boat on that one. On the upside, now I can put all that hoping behind me.
I guess we weren't lucky enough to find you that forever family.
Yeah, sure.
Enough. Enough shows sufficiency. Use it to measure adequacy. I don't have enough time. It means I lack sufficient time.
Forever family.
Yeah, sure missed the boat on that one.
Miss the boat. Miss the boat means to lose an opportunity. It's about timing. I missed the boat on that sail. It means I was too late for the sail.
On the upside, now I can put all that hoping behind me.
Well,
On the upside. On the upside introduces a positive note. It balances bad news. I failed, but on the upside I learned a lot. It highlights a positive after a negative.
universe.
Oh, thanks, Bill. Did you remember to water the daffodils? Oh, and if you could...
Take that, universe.
Take that. Take that is a defiant phrase. Use it to challenge something. Take that, rain. I've got an umbrella. It defies the rain with a solution.
Oh, thanks, Bill. Did you remember to water the daffodils? Oh, and if you...
Thanks. Thanks is a casual thank you. It's short and sweet. Thanks for the help. It shows quick gratitude.
Did you remember to water the daffodils? Oh, and if you could, unbox the unicorn...
If you could. If you could is a polite request. It softens asking for favors. If you could call me, I'd appreciate it. It politely asks for a call.
Family.
This was just a little bad luck. Of course you will.
You didn't. Family.
This was just a little bad luck. Of course.
A little bad luck. A little bad luck downplays misfortune. It's reassuring. It's just a little bad luck. It'll pass. It minimizes the impact of misfortune.
This was just a little bad luck. Of course you will.
Of course. Of course shows certainty. Use it to reassure. Of course I'll help you. It means I'll definitely help you.
Of course you will.
You didn't.
Didn't. Didn't is did not, denying something past. It's simple negation. You didn't call me yesterday. It denies a past action.
Hope you learned something cool today with English by Movie. Hit like, subscribe for more, and let's chat in the comments. Don't miss what's coming next. Bye for now.